So, starting over here, this is the brand new BMW. Now you'll notice this first car here is mirror white, followed by gravity gray, as well as all knowing that these two are i7s. You'll notice that I need of lining around the edges as well as no exhaust. That one back there is a 760. You'll notice that with no blue line and exhaust tips. So starting with these vehicles, they make 536 with 549 foot-pounds of torque. That will accomplish a 4.5 second 0 to 60 time. And with the power like that, you also receive a range on these 21s. You will receive a range of about 96 miles. This can be brought up to 318 miles depending on season, weather, as well as driving style. Starting at the front of the vehicles, you'll notice the new split level headlight design. In the vehicle in the back, you'll also notice the optional Swarovski crystal headlights. These vehicles do come with 15 exterior color options as well as 15 interior color options. You can pick and spec trim as well. Regarding the charging of the vehicles, you do have 3 different stages. Stage 1 is your normal at-home plug charger. Stage 2 is going to be right under 12 hours from 0 to 100% battery. Stage 3 is the electrifier. That you can find those stations all around the city, and those should be 60% in about 30 minutes apart. Now, coming over to this i7 in the back, this one does have the automatic opening doors, as my fellow genius will demonstrate. As well as if you get in the car and press the brake pedal, the doors will automatically close. Now in these headlights, you'll notice these headlights have the Swarovski crystals in here as well as in the interior. This is an add-on option that you can add to the vehicle. Now, if we make our way over to the next step, this right here is BMW's latest and greatest XM. This is the third electrified BMW, as well as the highest horsepower production BMW. Starting at the exterior, you'll notice the grille animation in the LED headlights. On here in the vehicle, you can choose different colors, but that's going to change. As well as wheel animation, you can go anywhere from a 22 to a 23 size wheel. Now, this being the most common production BMW, it does come with 644 horsepower as well as 590 foot-pounds of torque. With that, you see an eye-watering 0 to 60 in 4.1 seconds. You will notice this one also does have the same the interior has a complete redesign. On the headliner, you will notice a geometric pattern headliner that has included the dual iDrive 8, which is better than any of the ones before, which is with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and just normal. So since it is a hybrid, you do get about 30 miles of driving, and to charge that battery from 0 to 100. If you guys have any questions regarding these vehicles, please come see me or the other DUCs around. Thank you for taking the time to learn about these special vehicles. Hopefully you walk out knowing more than you did before, as well as being the village. On behalf of Patrick BMW, we'd like to thank you.